Let me try to explain that today. Okay, whatever auto number, if I not tell, I can tell you anyhow. Let's talk about this. So lookup relationship. What is lookup relationship? Lookup is like lookup or master anything, any relationship. If say there are two different objects. Please mute it yourself, guys. If I ask you, please unmute. Hmm? Okay. Lookup and master detail. If we compare, both are it is connected with one object to another object. Simple. It means that you can consider traveler is a parent object, trip plan is a child. It means from the child to parent you should maintain a one relationship. Means this table should have this table also both should have a some connection. For that what you should do? You should create a relationship field. For example, you can say travelers. It's a relationship if you make it. When you make it as travelers, also make it as master detail. MD relationship or master detail relationship. Again, from the traveler plan to booking also you should make it, because what is the payment and all that you want to maintain, you can maintain the relationship through. That is also you can do. Okay. So for that you can what you need to do, you can create a one relationship between these two. It's up to you. However, for now you can consider one these two things you want to make it connection. For that you created a relationship called master detail relationship. Whomsoever planned it, it doesn't mean that everybody should take or should just a plan is there, but I didn't decide that it should happen to now or something. It will I can plan for some days later future. At that time when I am going to travel, that time only I can pay. It's up to me how what are the way. But simple terms I can say a relationship between two objects, either you can do through the master detail or lookup. Initially we can do the lookup, we'll convert later on. Lookup relationship. Okay. So traveler and trip plan, what will happen? Let's try to do a lookup. So which object I targeted to make a lookup? Trip plan. Let's go for trip plan. Open. Go the fields and relationship and see. There is I didn't create all the fields, but I can directly create a relationship field. Let's see. Click new. So I need to make it relationship called lookup. From where? From child object to parent object. Trip plan is you can consider as a child. From there, you are making connection between parent object. So lookup you can say, then click new. What it will ask? It will ask which related object it is. Means what is the parent object, parent table. You just need to select traveler. Then click next. It will ask the name of that field, traveler, that relationship field name. You can say traveler. Click next. Then it will be ask you again what are the field level security, what are the profiles should be visible to this particular field. You can consider ignore it as it is for now. Click next. This is you are adding the page layout and this is adding your related list. Now save it. So what will happen if you go there? Open that. So if you go there, travelers, open click new. Destination, I can say Simla. Then I just want to select that related who has to traveler is you can consider a Sai. If I click save, it is happened the relationship between the Sai is a traveler and trip plan is to Simla. This guy wants to go Simla. Go the Simla Sai. You can see this is the details of that person, traveler person. You can see in the related list what is that this guy, how many trip plans he planned. Those are the details you can see over here. When we created a record of traveler, object of traveler, at the time I'm able to see only notes and attachments. A few minutes ago, I created a relation between traveler and trip plan. Then it has become again connection between traveler and a trip. Now, if I deleted a parent record called, if I deleted traveler records, trip plan record won't be deleted because lookup relationship has independent ownership for each object. When I make it as a lookup relationship, it won't delete the parent record. With that child record, it won't delete. But if you, in case, if you have a master detail relationship, if you delete parent record, child also will be deleted. It means if I delete traveler, trip plans also will be automatically will delete. That is the difference between master and lookup. Let's try to delete and test it out what will happen. So this is the parent record of traveler. I'm trying to delete it. And this record is associated with Simla. If I delete it, whether Simla record has been deleted or not, you want to test it, you can see it is not deleted. But go to the traveler and check it out whether Sai record is there or not. Open the list of all records and try to see. There is no record called Sai because it has been deleted. Clear about lookup relationship?
Yes.
And I also again I want to make it a connection relationship. I want to create a record from here. I can create from there also, parent record also. If I click this, I can open. I can directly create Bangalore. I can save it. So if you go traveler plans to places and all, you can see the two names, Simla, Bangalore, something like that. But whereas the records of the traveler, it will be only one. Sai gone. Sai has been deleted long back. I have only Prasad. Clear now? Now, let's have master detail relationship between fee and trip plan. Okay, for this trip plan, this much fee or this much booking charges. Such a way you can plan it. If you want to make it, you just need to create relationship between booking and trip plan. What is the relationship you planned? Master detail. To with object, trip plan. Here you are just providing the field name for that trip plan. And next, save. Okay, so what is saying you cannot create a new master detail relationship on existing custom object. If that particular object has records are existed, then it definitely don't run. Because when you have a master data relationship, it doesn't allow you to create it. Now what you have to do first, if there is a data on booking, you have to delete first. It should not have data, otherwise it won't allow you to create a master detail relationship directly. Okay, I can try to create it. Trip plan. So now it is created. You saw that previously it gave the error because of there is a data on this booking object, and without having any relationship between connection between that data, you are trying to create a relationship field, then it will throw an error. So such a kind of scenarios in the such a examples, if you face it in real time or working time, first you should create a lookup relationship and make it connection between that object to child object to parent object. Then you can make it at the time it will be work for you. Now go to there and try to create a bookings. See here the serial number, it is auto number. I am not able to provide any value or I am not able to enter. Okay. Payment type, you can say UPI. And without trying to add it the trip plan, if I try to save it, it is giving an error. I should add it mandatory. And select this and try to save it. Once the record has been generated, let's see that what are the details it will have. See here T002, the record number automatically generated. This is called auto number. Mode of payment, it will be just a text. So you can anything if you enter, it will take the value called text only. Whereas trip plan Bangalore, so that is the parent record of the bookings, so that you are able to see that this one. Now clear what is the relationship between master detail. Now if I delete a parent record, what will happen? Let's see. If I delete parent record, this associated with this record, child record should be deleted. What child records? Bookings. If I click next, it should delete. See here nothing is there, it is deleted, it is saying. Now go and try to find it, nothing you can find. Clear what is a master and lookup now? Now let's try to discuss a little more. There is a one more concept called junction object. Junction object in the sense there is some scenarios you have to do one object to many in the sense one object should receive the many records, another object also should receive many records. So in between you can't make many to many. If you want to take it one object to many records, then only you should do that master detail only. Okay, so master detail relationship you want to maintain it, and also you want to make it as a connection many to many, then it is not possible to do direct connection. It will throw an error to save it. For that we have to maintain a relationships master data relationship between three objects. Means one is a child object, two parents object, that is called junction object. A junction object between one child, two parents. Okay, so this functionality called you can do junction object. why we are using to make it many to many relationship actually. Many to many. Many to many in the sense this one object should have only one. Ideally one to many, that is called one to many. Either we can do from the batch or sorry, we can do through the master detail or lookup. One to many you can do any relationship, but whereas many to many you can only do from the master detail. How to do? Let me try to tell you. So in the booking, from booking to triple plan we have, but we don't have travelers to booking. So let's make it as one more relationship called travelers from bookings. So now you can see there are two relationship between from booking to traveler, booking to trip plan. Now go the booking and try to click new and see the relationships. Now see this. There are two fields are added over here. Those two fields are required only. You can see the red or red star mark between that. So you can write into whatever you feel. So the record has been created. Without that, I can't create this booking also. So that is the called master data relationship. So when you create a child record, master detail data should be mandatory. It will be mandatory. And also when your deleted parent record, child also automatically deleted. And the ownership is controlled by parent. It means we can going to share it to us every day because it is controlled by parent. Okay. Anybody has confusion here? Lookup relationship and master detail relationship between.
No, can you repeat the many relationship again?
Okay. Let me try to explain little detail. Basically, we have different styles of relationship. I mentioned only four. These four: lookup, master, and external and
So,
hierarchy.
so if we delete in many to many relationship, the master detail one, so it can automatically delete the child one also, right?
Naturally, yeah.
Yeah, the for the master detail relationship and many to many relationship are just same.
See, many to many is a concept. Okay, there is no relationship called many to many. It's just a
Okay,
concept.
okay, okay.
Using this, you can do. Okay,
Yeah, it
lookup is
just
nothing
for
but it's you can
okay, okay.
one to many. One object and also associated with one more object. One object will be parent, another object will be child. It is one to many. but it is independent ownership. Okay? It is one to many only, but still independent owner. This is one to many only, but dependent owner. There is a child will be different from master detail.
Yeah, the
Okay.
man in one to many, many is the record, right? Yeah.
Yeah, many is you can say many records. One record to many record you can consider.
Okay.
So here dependent actually. Which one dependent? Child will be different. Dependent. Child object will be dependent. Similarly, now try to understand many to many when you used many to many if you want to use it, there is a concept called junction object you should use. Then only you can make it as many to many. But to make it many to many with the junction object, you require a master detail relationship. Without that, you can't make it. You can say you are the using junction object or many to many relationship.
Okay, so then first we have to create two master detail relationship, then the record one.
Exactly.
Okay.
And external, it is a lookup only, but is an external system. Hierarchy, it is a one more kind of relationship. Only one object can have. That as hierarchy is a relationship. User is an object.
What? can you can you repeat the external?
Okay, it's okay. You can consider lookup and master and external hierarchy. Those only the five is a relationships we can find in org. Simple. These lookup, master. First lookup and master. Did you understand? Lookup is kind of if you delete child
Yeah, yeah.
parent
Lookup
child,
is
delete.
like, yeah, if you delete the master, the record will be still there. There's nothing we can do about the record. But in master, we can delete master, record automatically can delete. And same
Okay.
as goes for junction. And what is the external lookup? So, so
Yeah,
the
okay.
fourth one you can explain.
Okay. Okay. So now these two are fine. Only external lookup in the sense you can consider there is a Java. Hmm? In Java system, they created one object called account. In our system, SFDC Salesforce side also we have object called account only. Okay. When Java is data updated, SFDC should update. If SFDC updated, Java should be updated. Okay. For that, you want to maintain a unique relationship between two different systems, then you can do that external lookup relationship.
Okay.
External lookup is clear now for you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now
Yes.
hierarchy is a one kind of relationship you can find only in a user object in Salesforce. What it does, it just making connection relationship between one object to another object, but this will be you can make it from user object to any other object. This feature only available for user object only.
Can you repeat again?
Okay, no problem. See, you are a table, okay? Here you can see that this is the table. Here, what is it? Booking is a table, okay? Who is the owner of this record? You can say either Krishna. Shiva Krishna is the owner for this record, correct?
Yes.
I am the owner. For example, you are the person who is trying to book this tickets and all for somebody else.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
who will be the owner for that? You will be the owner because you are creating.
Yeah.
Okay. So such a way, the record which is maintain a relationship with a user data, that is called hierarchy relationship.
Okay.
So that you can do only a user object, not for any other object.
Hmm.
It will come, no need to worry. So these are the main things. What is it? Hierarchy, one is one object, one to many to many. One more is self relationship. It's a concept only, okay? This hierarchy relationship concept. Hierarchy is a functionality. To build that one, either you can use lookup or master, these only. Anyhow, ultimately you are going to maintain it to the lookup or master only for any relationship.
Okay, we will use only lookup and master. These all are just concept. We
Yes,
know. Yeah.
exactly.
Okay.
Most of the time you can see that any software, any Salesforce, you can see either lookup or master. Very rare case you can find a external lookup or hierarchy. Very rare. Maximum these many years I never seen that actually. I didn't get a chance to, but yeah. So now there is one more concept in a say lookup only we can see, that is called self relationship. To build a self relationship, what you have to do, you have an object called booking, and the booking you can see that on the same object you are making connection with the booking only, not getting self relationship in the
between records.
yes, and the same object data records.
Okay. Booking
That is
is the
called
object, and in booking there's like 3 to 4 records. So between
yes,
records,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay.
One object can have multiple. One parent can have multiple child objects. Such a way. That's okay. Basically, you can consider as like you are having a booking. Okay, in this booking, Bangalore is a you taken as a one place. The Bangalore, within the Bangalore, you can find a many
Many places.
small places.
Bangalore,
Yeah, yeah,
Electronic City, and somewhere else.
exactly,
Like, yeah.
correct. So such a way you want to make it as a connection between Bangalore one, then you
And
can say you
Electronic
can
City.
create a self relationship.
Okay.
That is also lookup only. Clear these all are?
Hey, Krishna, I have a quick question.
Hmm.
Could you explain indirect lookups?
What is it?
Indirect lookup relationship?
Indirect. I didn't.
Yeah, can you just explain it?
I didn't see anywhere in indirect. What is it?
It's with the child external object relating to a customer standard parent object.
Let me try to understand. What is the object relationship name? Indirect.
Yes. Lookup.
Okay. Okay. What it does? Indirect relationship. What it does?
It's supposed to, the external object is the child object, and it links to the parent standard or custom object in Salesforce.
Okay. See, when you are creating any objects or any relationships, if you click this, whatever you are visible to over here, only talk about those. Here you can see external lookup relationship and lookup and master. Only this. Other all the things are just a concepts.
Okay, got you.
Okay, now everybody, if this is very much important, guys, so that I'm telling you very slowly. A relationships concept is a very important. If you people feel that, I can give you one scenario. Do that these scenarios and all, and let me know. because this has many things to do. On top of this, we need to discuss a little more also. So do one thing, you guys just go and create this like a relationship between. I just created only one relationship. Okay, from here I created lookup, and after that I will convert into the, from here you can consider here this traveler. From booking traveler you can create a master relationship. Again you can create trip plan also, you can consider as a master detail relationship. So now on this object it will have this is the parent and this is the parent. Such a way you can make it as a connection between each object. So you guys just do this and try to see what are the things are getting enabled, what is the output is coming, and all. Just verify that.
Okay.
So do this one and let me know. This is a very much important after you created relationship. Okay, this one also, these two things if you have done na, and try to delete parent record, what will happen, verify it. If you delete child record, what will happen, those all the things, verify it.
Okay.
Little tricky one, but we don't have an option, we should do.
No, you explain well. So now it's not tricky.
Yeah,
So,
but still if you do na examples and all, that time you will get more confusion, doubts and all.
yes, sure. Obviously, we have to do practice. Like yesterday's session or today's session, can you send the link? Oh, because
Videos.
it will be very yeah, it will be very helpful to complete assignment. Yeah.
Okay, I will get you in after 1 hour or sometime, then I will give you, because
No,
it
no,
is
just
it's,
send me the link. That's okay. Yesterday's session and today's session. Yeah. Send me
yeah,
the link.
if I want to send you, I need to upload, right?
Okay. You need to upload first. Okay. Oh, you can send me later also. That's not the case.
Yeah, I can send you.
Yeah, you can take your time whenever you're free. Send.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.